this is Kelly, and this video is going to be on vital signs and auscultation. And this is my patient, Avery. High five. Yay. All right, so Avery, first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to check your heart rate and your breathing rate, okay? All right, here we go. So Avery's heart rate was 102 beats a minute, and her respiration was 28 breaths per minute. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start from the front and give a good listen. Avery, when you feel this, could you take a deep breath for me? Can you go ahead and give yourself a little hug? Go ahead. It's just so I can get over here. Okay, perfect. Take a deep breath. Perfect. Another one. Good job. Go ahead. All right, let me get your back. How's that? Okay, perfect. Take a deep breath. Good job. Wow, Avery, you are very healthy. So that was vital signs and auscultation. Thanks for watching. Bye.